people are talking about it, its users are raving about it, and the massive buzz on Facebook is astounding. The world's ultimate weight loss and weight management product continues to take the market by storm. Since its launch in August, and in just the last quarter of 2010 alone, Lean and Fab has sold out more than 7,500 bottles. With its high quality, safety, and effectivity, value for money, and countless satisfied customers, Lean and Fab is now in a class on its own. Check out just some of our happy Lean and Fab consumers. And if there's one more very pleased Lean and Fab user, it would be none other than Charms and Crystal's Joy Lim, Global Fusion Incorporated's newest business partner.
I've been in, like, I've tried so many mga pampapayat talagang mga medicines like that. Sabi ko sa kanya, is this really good? Sabi ko, teka, before we get into that, try ko muna yung Lean and Fab. If it works with me, ibig sabihin talagang your company is really good. Mapili nga kayo. So I did. And then I lost a lot. Medyo mataba pa ng konti ngayon, but I'm aiming for 120. Watch out, because I'm gonna be like Megan Fox later on with the Lean and Fab. Kaya ako, so that's why sabi ko sa kanya, I feel so good with that. Kasi walang dizziness. And then, like, I can sleep well. Tapos nawawalan ako ng gana kumain. And even if I eat a lot, nandun pa rin yung parang feel mo, you feel so light. So sabi ko, your products must be good.
And there you have it, GFI's newest business partner, Charms and Crystal's Joy Lim, yet another happy Lean and Fab user. You too can be like her and among the thousands and thousands of satisfied Lean and Fab customers. Just contact the person who showed you this video and start having that Lean and Fab body you deserve. Lean and Fab, the world's ultimate weight loss and weight management product. Order now.